Hi everyone, it's Amanda from Reflection Center for Skin and Body, and today I am excited because we are taking you guys on a behind the scenes office tour at our Livingston location. Not too long ago we had done this at our Martinsville location. You guys really enjoyed that, so we're back again, just this time in Livingston. So this office has been here a little bit longer than our other location has. It's a little bit smaller. For those patients that have been to both know that they differ a little bit. However, of course, you can get the same quality treatment at either location, whatever's easiest and closest for you guys, especially for our new patients. This is a great video to kind of get a good idea of what you can expect when you come to our office. So we're gonna go on inside and we're gonna start looking around. Just so you guys know, right now there are no patients in the office, so I'll be able to kind of give you a full tour without interrupting anybody. And also that's why I'm not wearing a mask. If you want to know what going to a cosmetic office looks like in these times and how we do it safely, we made a video about that below. We'll link it so you guys can get a good idea about how we work hard to keep our patients and employees safe. Let's go in. Okay guys, first room here. So we are in our first plastics room of the office. So this is where patients can get anything done from Botox to different types of fillers. We also do our pre-operative and post-operative appointments in here as well. Dr. Wicks Harris sees her liposuction patients in here before and after their surgery. And we pretty much keep this room for that purpose. You can see here we have some pretty cool wall decor here. Again, so just like our Martinsville location, every room has something a little bit different and a little bit special. So let's go see the next room. Okay, this is our RF microneedling room. So this is a super popular treatment right now, radio frequency microneedling, especially for patients who want to improve their acne scarring, or even patients who really just want to do something that's anti-aging and that can improve their skin quality. So this is what it looks like. Now you might be saying, where's the machine? So at Reflections, our lasers, or some of our lasers, I should say, travel between offices. And this really allows all of our patients to take advantage of all of the technologies we have to offer at a location that's most convenient to them. So right now it might not be here, but it will be soon for those of you who are closest to Livingston and want to use RF microneedling. Let's move on to our next room. Okay guys, so this is our PRP room, and the reason we call it that is because if you look behind me, this is our centrifuge. This is where we prepare and spin our PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. It is a type of regenerative medicine that we use in all areas of the medical field, not just cosmetic. For us, we typically use it in conjunction with things like our microneedling, like we talked about next door, as well as hair loss, and also the O-Shot, which is new as well. If you want to read more about that, take a look on our website. There's plenty of info. So this is a special room. We definitely get a lot of use out of it because, you know, it's such a new and upcoming thing regenerative medicine is, and PRP has done so much for our patients and we just love it. So let's move on next door to see the next room. Okay, so we are officially in our Clear and Brilliant room. Not only is Clear and Brilliant a favorite of our patients, but our employees as well. It is just such a gentle but effective treatment for fine lines, for skin texture, just kind of a deep exfoliation, sunspots, without the downtime that so many other lasers can create. So we certainly get a lot of use out of this room. It sees a lot of traffic. So here's our Clear and Brilliant machine right over there. You can see that we have our bed here, another interesting wallpaper for you. So this is definitely a room that doctors, patients, employees, we are in here a ton, and we can't say enough about Clear and Brilliant. So this is the last room that we have on our first floor. We're gonna head on upstairs where we have all of our other treatment rooms so we can take a look at those. So let's go on upstairs. Okay, so we are now on our second floor. This is the first room on my left here. This is a very popular room most of you have seen if you've been to this office, and that is because this is our consultation room. So this is where all new patients meet with a patient coordinator like myself, and of course, most importantly, a physician. And really, during that consultation, our goal is to kind of ascertain what your issues are, what you're looking to improve on, and then we can discuss what treatments are best for you. You can take a look behind me here, and this is a treatment chair. So of course, some of our consultations who are talking about things like Botox and fillers and other treatments too, we're able to do those things on the same day sometimes if patients especially are really excited about getting started. So this room definitely sees a lot of patients, and it's a room where a lot of cool things happen. So let's move on to the next one over here. So this here across the hall is our laser hair room. This is where we do full body and face laser hair removal. We have different machines that are safe on all skin types. We also provide a Smoothbeam laser in this room as well. That's great for our acne patients that are looking to improve stubborn acne and really get their skin clear. So this room, again, very popular room. So many of our patients love their laser hair removal. I certainly do. If you want to see a video of other treatments I love too, we'll link that one down below where I talk about some of my absolute all-time favorites. Laser hair is one of them. So if you guys follow me this way, right over here is our nurse's station. So this is where medical assistants and physicians both do, patient prep for treatments, and they also chart information. We are a paperless office, so we utilize iPads. It really makes it not only great for the environment, but also just a more seamless process. We're able to take pictures and do all of our work from one station and one piece of technology. So we love our iPads. Okay, so moving on from our nurse's station over to the next room on my left here. Oh, I don't want to pass up this. This is a common sight in our office. This is, of course, cleaning products. After each patient, each room is sanitized, and we do this, and it's just one of the many things that we do to make sure that this experience is safe for our staff and our patients alike. We just want to be able to do the right thing and keep this a fun experience, but also more importantly, a safe experience. So that's just, again, one of the many ways that we are trying to make this the best and safest and cleanest environment for you guys. So we're gonna move right on in here. This is another laser room. We do lots of different things in here. So one of the things is tattoo removal. That's one of our tattoo removal machines right there. If I pan over here, this is another. So we're able to safely treat tattoos on all different skin types. Having so many different options in lasers is really key to that. And patients typically are very pleased with their tattoo removal experiences. We also have our V-beam laser here, so that's how we remove broken capillaries. Rosacea is treated with that laser as well. Right here is where our Fraxel Restore typically sits. So going back to our lasers traveling, it is right now in our Martinsville location. We'll be back next week, but this is a room where we also do that resurfacing with the Fraxel Restore as well. Another one of my favorites, similar to Clear and Brilliant, but kind of a next step up. I have another video, we'll link down below too, that shows you my Fraxel experience from day 1 to day 7, all the in between. So if you're interested, go ahead and watch that too. We certainly get a lot of compliments on this wallpaper here. Certainly different, but definitely beautiful in my opinion, at least. So let's move on to our next room right across the hall. Okay guys, so this is the last room on our room tour for our Livingston location, but it's certainly not the least important because this room is one of our busiest. This is our main injectable room. So we do anything obviously from Botox to fillers here. I'm sure you've noticed, so have our other patients. They always comment on this pretty cool, different flowered wallpaper. I certainly notice it every time I walk into this room. It kind of gives it a cool, relaxed vibe, which here at Reflections, we're all about kind of making this experience for you. Although it is a medical one, not necessarily feel like that. We want you to feel relaxed and almost like you're at a spa. So I was so happy to be able to kind of take you along today and show you around. If you would like to book a consultation, please reach out. We would love to see you. We're always happy to meet new patients and kind of help them navigate this cosmetic world. And so thank you guys for watching, and we hope to see you soon.